The topic of discussion here today, will CRONOS hit $2 in this crypto bull run? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a little while since I've talked about crypto.com. And, it's one that I just kind of set it and forget it, right? I hold my CRONOS over on the crypto.com platform. I stake it and just kind of forget that I have it. It was funny. I was at an event recently this past weekend, and somebody was asking me if I still hold my CRO. And yeah, I still hold my CRO. I just stake it, and I don't really think about it because I do think CRONOS has the best opportunity as an exchange token to perform really, really well, especially with all the Binance stuff that has come out in the United States, all the CZ stuff. Crypto.com has been quietly growing for the last 5 years. We've went over the numbers before. And in this video, I want to talk about crypto.com and if it can get to $2, what my price targets are. Of course, none of this is financial advice. It's all speculation, but it is fun to speculate on price predictions. The fact that crypto.com is more than exchange now. It's more than just a place where you can swap cryptos. By the way, they're really changing their actual app up a lot. It wasn't terribly bad, but it wasn't as user-friendly as some other ones out there. I think it's becoming more and more user-friendly, which I think is really important. They've already got the name, right? Crypto.com. Imagine the new wave of people coming into crypto. Of course, they're going to go to Coinbase. Of course, they're going to go to Binance if that's an exchange in their area. But I think Crypto.com is going to be situated perfectly within those conversations, within that top three. And Crypto.com, as it continues to evolve, it's more than just an exchange now, right? We've talked about this before. It is obviously building out an entire ecosystem. So let's dive in and just take a look at the overall market. Of course, we'll scroll down to CRONOS, and then we're going to get into these price conversations. Of course, $2 is our target that we would like to see CRONOS get to. Keep in mind, we almost got to $1 in 2021. So if we scroll on down, we will see some of the top cryptos right now. It's pretty flat, actually, across the board. We're down just about 1%, but relatively flat across the board in the cryptocurrency market, at least at the time of this recording. It changes, though. If we scroll on down, we will find CRONOS right in the mid-tier range, sitting there at number 41. We're sitting right at 8 cents right now, right at a $2 billion market cap. And, anytime CRONOS for me is down below 10 cents, I think it's an interesting buy. I hold CRONOS. I'm not buying a ton right now just because I'm heavily invested there. I've dollar cost averaged all the way down to, I think, about 13 cents or something like that on average, 14 cents, something like that. I'm comfortable with that. I'll hold it. And if we take a look at just CRONOS in general right now, in the last month, we're down about 18%. But overall, we came from, less than 5 cents not too long ago, back in October. We have given some of that back, obviously, when we popped up over 10 cents to start the year again. And we've given that back, and we're sitting at 8 cents right now. But when nobody's talking about the crypto, it's usually a good time. It's usually a good entry point, and nobody's really talking about CRO right now. Of course, we are, though. We're breaking it down for you guys. And I want to jump over here to the coin perspective. All right. So as we go through this, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts on all of this. What's your price target for CRONOS? Let me know in the comment section. Where are you taking your profits? If you want to share your price point right now, just your overall thoughts, anything you want to share in the comment section. Always love hearing from you guys. But what I've got here is CRONOS right now sitting at a $2.1 billion market cap. We've got our circulating supply at 26.5 billion. The total supply is at 30 billion here. Okay. Which is not too bad from a tokenomics standpoint. 88% of the total supply is circulating right now. So if CRONOS had a market cap of 53 billion, that would take us to the $2 mark. It is an upside of about 24x. Now, I do think that is within the possibility of happening because of the reasons I laid out before. CRONOS continues to grow out its DeFi ecosystem, its blockchain side of things, outside of just being a company that is a centralized exchange. They also have so many other things happening, right? With their credit cards, their entire ecosystem, getting into NFTs, gaming, And a lot of this growth that we're going to see, I think, is going to be in these new emerging areas like AI, like gaming. NFTs, I think, are coming. There's going to be a real use case there. The tokenization of real world assets. And it looks as if Chris and his team are going to be at the forefront of that. So I think a really good scenario would be CRONOS getting to this $53 billion market cap. Now, if you're wondering kind of where that $53 billion is right now, at least today, right? Who sits up there at a $53 billion market cap? You've got a couple cryptos up there close, right? BNB and Solana, 44 and 42 billion. Keep in mind, though, right? Solana, if it gets to $500, we're talking about a $200 billion market cap. Okay, so all of these would grow. But CRONOS, I think, could certainly get there. And if we take a look at CRONOS, where it got to previously, back in 2021, and this was really before all of the ecosystem was developed. I mean, it was more or less an exchange token, right? It was one of the good ones, though, of course, where you can actually, see price appreciation. Crazy. We had volume over $1 billion at one point. But if we switch it over to market cap, right at the top there, we got to, let's see, we got to about a $20 billion market cap. Okay, we got just shy, a little bit over 20 billion. Okay, so that was about a 10x from here. So yeah, I mean, that would take us, right up there to, right around there, 81 cents. We actually got a little bit higher than that, right? We got into the 90-cent range, and we got really close to breaking $1. This cycle, we got to about 97 cents. This cycle, I think we can break that with ease. I truly do, especially now that we have continued to see the growth outside of, again, just the exchange token. And I think you cannot underestimate the marketing here that is in the name of CRONOS. When we get a mad rush of new people coming into crypto, which that has not happened yet. People forget, back in 2021, we had a mad dash to get into crypto. People in 2021, retail investors flooded the markets. Just saw a stat yesterday. I put this in a video that, there's over 100 million Coinbase accounts, but only 9 million were active recently. That just tells you a lot of people opened accounts, but they haven't come back since the FTX drama, since they got washed out, whatever it is. So you're going to have those people coming back into the markets when the FOMO hits, and you're going to have all these newcomers coming in to crypto as well. So where are they going to look to? They're going to look to an easy exchange that they can get onboarded into crypto with. Crypto.com has the brand recognition, has the arena, and it has way more than just the exchange. Look at these lines on my head from wearing sunglasses. That's hilarious. Just noticed that. But that's what I've got for you guys in the video. Appreciate you guys as always. CRONOS fam, we've been rocking together for a really, really long time. And I think I want to cover CRONOS a little bit more here on the channel. So let me know that you like this video. Motivate me to cover it more by smashing the like button, subscribing down below, and dropping a comment. Let this thing boost up into the algorithm. I'm curious to see how many people catch on to this one. But those are my thoughts. CRONOS to $2 this bull run. I think it's feasible. Let me know what you think down below. Also, before we get up on out of here, check out XT Algo. If you guys are looking to trade both crypto stocks at any point, I'm a long-term investor, especially with CRONOS. I don't really trade CRONOS, but I do trade cryptos like Solana very, very often. If you guys are looking to make some money throughout any type of market, set customized alerts. This is my trading indicator. This thing simply works. I'm telling you guys, I've got hundreds of people using it, and this might interest you as well. If you need a VPN, 4 months free. NordVPN is partnered up with my audience. 4 months free for you today. Unbelievable deal there. If you don't have a VPN, make sure you get one today to keep your crypto safe and to browse the internet safely and have a private experience. I appreciate you guys again. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.